What is up, YouTube? Alright, today we're putting new speakers in the motorcycle. The motorcycle had 5 1/4 speakers. The factory speakers are paper, small magnets, complete junk, very distorted when they got loud. You couldn't hear them over maybe 45, 50 miles an hour. I'm going with a speaker upgrade, engineered adapters, of course. Put 6.5s in it. I tried putting Star Audio speakers into the bike. Magnets are way too big. I'll show some footage of that in here. Alright, I ended up going with Kicker 6.5-inch Marine speakers. They have a great connection terminal on the back. They actually have a pigtail on the speakers because there's not a lot of wire in the fairing, and they're very well sealed. You want to go with Marine speakers, they're going to get rained on at some point. Check this out, step-by-step instructions on how to put new speakers in your bike. I didn't go with an amplifier. With the wind at your back, you can hear the speakers at 70 miles an hour, pretty clear, wide open. Wind coming at you pretty heavy, 60, 65, and that's no amplifier. The Kicker speakers are really clear, they sound awesome.
Number 4 Allen wrench, take the speaker grills off, just 2 bolts. There's a bucket the 5 1/4 speaker sits in, just take that out. This is where you're going to use your engineered adapters. This makes the speaker go from a 5 1/4 to a 6.5. You're going to use the same hardware you use to take the speaker grills off and screw them right back into the adapters.
Throw a like on it for me. It'd really help the video out. Subscribe. Got more content coming out on this.
Okay, so this is where you're going to see the Star speakers do not fit in the engineered adapter fittings. I did try to cut them out with a Dremel tool and a file. These adapters are 3D printed. If you do need to customize them, it's very easy to. Check the website. They do have the types of speakers that do fit them. These Kickers fit in without any problems. So the pigtails on these Kickers make this super easy. Just a couple spade connectors. Put them together, use some needle nose, whatever you need to do. Good to go. Another great feature of these Kickers is this waterproof case it comes with. Put the spade connectors right inside it, clamp it, and then put the zip tie around the outside. Just another protection piece. Okay, almost done. Put the 4 screws in with the grill over the top. Test it out. You're ready to go. Rock and roll.
Looking for what you're doing. I got bar risers I'm putting on here, got a video coming out soon, and a bunch of other stuff. Thanks for watching.